Our world is growing faster than farmers can feed it. UN's Food and Agriculture Organization predicts that 9.7 billion people will inhabit the planet by 2050. That's 2.5 billion more than today. How are we gonna feed a billion more people with nearly 800 million already hungry now? This is Shweta Das from Team AgroAcres, and we are working on this project for assisting farmers about smart agriculture as well, providing them an e-commerce platform. Have you ever imagined what leads to suicides by farmers? Well, statistically speaking, by the end of this event, a farmer would have committed suicide in India, and it is only getting worse. Well, it bothered us a lot, and according to us, it's lack of knowledge about proper techniques and modern agricultural practices. Even if there is continuous increment in internet penetration, farmers are still not able to get hold of the mandi prices, and sometimes they get manipulated by the vendors too. The people who are new on this field are not being properly assisted, and it results in less production and lower quality products. So by focusing on all the problems, we came across our product, which is AgroAcres. Let's go through the demo of our app.
AgroAcres is a smart agriculture platform that guides the farmer through the entire agriculture cycle. When a farmer is going to plant a new crop, he can use our crop calendar to learn how to nourish and cultivate it in the most optimal way. He has to input what crop it is and when he is sowing it. Based on the data along with his location, an approximate harvesting date will be generated along with a series of specified actions that the farmer must take at specified dates, such as fertilization, irrigation to maximize his crop produce. Each activity will contain concise steps on how to do it, along with a web link to learn even more about that practice. The farmer can further use weather forecasts in the app to better plan these activities. If the farmer needs more information regarding the process, he can use our multilingual chatbot, which has been trained to answer every kind of agriculture related activity with detailed answers and tutorials via text, photos, and videos. Once the crop is harvested, the farmer can put it up for sale on our e-commerce platform, which is open for crops as well as other agriculture products such as machinery and fertilizers. The farmer has to add an image of the crop, available quantity and rate of the product along with his contact details and location. His crop will be immediately published for sale. If he is not sure about what price he should put for the crop, he can look it up in our mandi prices section, where all the crop prices of his nearby mandi are displayed and updated every day for the farmer's reference. Our app provides bilingual support, that is, it is available in both English and Hindi languages to our users from various cultural and economic backgrounds. If they have trouble using our app, they can simply go through the tutorial videos.
Well, how is our app different? Existing apps uses complex user interfaces, don't provide a detailed and structured calendar feature, don't provide multilingual farm chatbots and push responses via text only, which acts as a poor assisting system for new farmers. On to our business plan. Are you ready with your crop for sale? Still struggling on getting more buyers over a long time? Welcome to AgroAcres. Unlock our premium plan by paying a very less amount. Get valuable tips on how to sell your product in competitive markets. We will show your product on top of the page in our shop counter, as well recommend your product to all the vendors out there. So now get quick responses from more number of potential buyers in a very short period of time and have an increment in your money stack without any middleman. We also conducted our alpha testing throughout August in the state of Bihar and managed to showcase our product to many farmers and got some really valuable feedbacks. The demo I made you go through is version 2.0. On to our next action plans, we are going to conduct workshops in villages to gain faithful users, as well adopt social media to get a broad reach.